In the realm of high-performance motorcycles, the KTM 890 Duke R stands tall as a true speed demon, offering an exhilarating riding experience for thrill seekers and speed enthusiasts. With an impressive set of acceleration and top speed figures, this two-wheeled powerhouse is engineered to deliver an adrenaline-pumping ride. Acceleration mastery. 1. 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.4 seconds. The KTM 890 Duke R showcases its lightning-fast acceleration capabilities by reaching 100 km per hour from a standstill in a mere 3.4 seconds. This quick sprint is a testament to the advanced engineering and cutting-edge technology integrated into the bike. 2. 0 to 200 m exit speed in 7.3 seconds at 174 km per hour. Demonstrating exceptional mid-range power, the 890 Duke R accelerates to an impressive speed of 174 km per hour within the first 200 meters. This speaks volumes about the bike's ability to deliver swift and controlled acceleration, making it a formidable force on the roads. 3. 0 to 400 m exit speed in 11.1 seconds at 195 km per hour. Pushing the boundaries further, the KTM 890 Duke R doesn't just stop at 200 meters. It continues to impress with an exit speed of 195 km per hour after covering 400 meters, showcasing its capability for sustained high-speed performance. 4. 50 km per hour to 400 meters in 6th gear in 12.4 seconds at 183 km per hour. The bike's prowess extends to its ability to recover from lower speeds, as evidenced by its impressive acceleration from 50 km per hour to 400 meters in 6th gear. Clocking in at 12.4 seconds with an exit speed of 183 km per hour, the KTM 890 Duke R ensures a thrilling experience in various riding scenarios. Top speed dominance. Maximum speed of 243 km per hour. The KTM 890 Duke R asserts its dominance with an astounding top speed of 243 km per hour. This figure not only solidifies its status as one of the fastest motorcycles in its class but also ensures that riders have the capability to unleash the full potential of this beast on the open road. Conclusion. In the world of high-performance motorcycles, the KTM 890 Duke R shines as a testament to speed, power, and precision engineering. With lightning-fast acceleration figures and an impressive top speed, this motorcycle is not only a feast for the eyes but also a thrill for those who seek the adrenaline rush of high-speed riding. The KTM 890 Duke R is a true embodiment of the spirit of speed, pushing the boundaries of what is possible on two wheels.